Hello and welcome back to Mommy and Me Treats. Today we are going to make sugar cookies. Today is also my friend Mallory's birthday.
Happy birthday, Mallory!
Alright, so one thing to remember is that as female chefs with long hair, you want to put your hair up.
And we wash our hands.
We wash our hands. So this is the cookbook we are using.
For our recipe.
It's sugar cookies, and it's a very yummy recipe, and we use this cookbook all the time.
And Joanne loves to talk.
Hey!
Hurry, let's go. We've got your butter. Whip your butter.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is use this mixer and just whip it. Whipping the butter. It's a half cup of butter.
Half a cup of butter is 1 stick of butter.
Yes.
So Joanne, how
8
many
tablespoons equals 1/2 cup.
8 tablespoons? How many sticks of butter are in 1 cup of butter?
2.
So how many half cups are in 1 cup?
2. So this is about what the butter should look like. It's very fluffy, and it's a paler color yellow.
Okay, so Joanne's mixing 1 egg. Uh-oh. It's okay. She's mixing 1 egg, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and she's also mixing a tablespoon of cream. You can use heavy whipping cream. You can use half and half if you want, some version of cream. So what she's going to do now is pour it into her butter.
All right. So pour it into the butter.
And now you're going to mix the butter and the cream.
Scrape it down a little because you don't want it, you want all of it. We're just going to mix this together. It may look like a weird texture while you mix it, but that's just the eggs. And it will be way more fluffy and once you get it done, and it's more Okay, so we're now gonna add 1 cup of sugar.
I'll pour it, honey, while you mix. That way you can use 2 hands.
Okay.
We'll frame her face. We like to pour slowly
so that it doesn't make a mess. That almost hit my face. But it's getting a little thicker, so we want to make sure that it's not going everywhere. Alright, so that's what it looks like. It's really fluffy. Oh, the whistle almost fell. Really fluffy, and it's a nice thick texture.
So we're adding, Joanne's going to now incorporate the flour.
So 2 cups of flour
and
we put in this bowl, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
And you mixed it in advance with a whisk, right?
Yes.
To mix it nicely.
So it's incorporated, and both the ingredients are not I don't know, separate, and then you get 1 chunk of, or not 1 chunk, but 1 area with all the baking powder.
That's right, concentrated. Okay, I will help. I will add slow while you mix. How does that sound?
So.
All right, let's go.
Okay, here goes nothing.
I'm adding it all around the bowl so that it doesn't glop and concentrate in one spot. All right, Joanne, I'm about ready to pour the rest of this in.
Okay.
Why don't you turn the mixer off so that I can do that? Okay, all right, let's do it. So this is all we have left, just a little bit. I'm going to sprinkle it all around. And you can see it going. Now she's going to be able, let me quick spatula the sides. All right, love, we will do that. Scraping it down for you. And you can mix. All yours.
This is what the dough should look like. You don't want to overmix, but you really want to get the flour incorporated in it.
And what we did was we preheated the oven to 375 degrees. So now, so now what we're gonna do is create some teaspoonfuls on a cookie sheet, and we'll show you that.
Yes, we will. All right.
Okay,
so,
Joanne.
what we're gonna do is she added the sprinkles, my mom, and what she's gonna do is she's gonna fold them in to the dough. All right. So we've put our cookies on the pan. It's about a tablespoon size, and it's a nonstick pan. And we try to keep the dough in uniform size so that it cooks better.
These are delicious finished product. Okay,
Yep.
Joanne, just to explain something quickly here. The balls give you more of a cake texture, and we'll get more detailed in a minute. And these give you the fatter ones, or not fatter ones, wider, thinner ones give you more of a softer, gooey texture. And so the difference is these are the balls that we made using the cookie scoop, the tablespoon cookie scoop. These are the ones where we literally took the teaspoon, like you use to eat bowl of soup or something, or cereal, and we kind of scooped a small amount and dropped it down. So that's the total difference.
Looks
Show them close up the cakey.
So this is the cakey one. It's the ball or the round one.
Look how thick and cake-like cookie. It's delicious. I'm gonna go for the little baby. Bit more chewy.
So good.
Yay!
We did it.
Hope you try this recipe. Joanne, you're gonna post it, and she'll give credit to the cookbook. And yay! Give it a good roll because it's easy and it's fun. And these are the soft sugar cookies.